On Friday, he ate 5 oranges, but still hungry.
Think so.
No.
Spoiler.
On Saturday, he ate 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of cheese, 1 slice salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, 1 slice of watermelon. Oh, and that night he had a stony cake. Next day, the Sunday then, a caterpillar. I ate through 1 ice cream leaf. After that, I felt much better. Now I was hungry anymore. No, it's a little caterpillar anymore. And this big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called the cocoon around itself. It stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. When he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed the sweat out, and puff. Oh, this is a beautiful butterfly. Mama, te lo leggi tu, mamma?
Va bene.